As a tindera, oy, nako, 6 days na akong lugi. 6 days nang nag-close ang tindahan dahil andito pa nga ako sa Cebu. So, we are here now in Cebu Safari.
Tita Barla loving life. Yes, welcome to my vlog. Please subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. See ya! Tita Barla at ang bago niyang buhay. Bagong ticket.
Good afternoon everyone, this is Tita Barla. Welcome to my channel. Today is October 21. As a tindera, oy, nako, 6 days na akong lugi. 6 days nang nag-close ang tindahan dahil andito pa nga ako sa Cebu. So, we are here now in Cebu Safari. Cebu Safari and Adventure Park in Carmen, Cebu. Laki-laki niya with around 170 hectares. Na mga, basta malaki. Mga 238 football fields daw. So, ang wildlife sanctuary is home to over 1,000 animals from more than 120 different species, making it the largest zoological park in the Philippines. Wow! The distance from Mactan International Airport to Cebu Safari is 37 kilometers. Travel time is 1 hour plus, depending on the traffic ha, kasi masyadong traffic sa Cebu. And this is going to the north. Hi! Welcome to welcome to Safari. Mura na ko ni.
White lion, camel, birds of the world, and African savanna from base camp. Those are 4 key attractions in the farthest points. After that is, you will start walking tour na self-guided. So you will encounter the rest of the animals by walking, and trams are only happening at out. Okay? We have bird show. It will start 1:45 p.m. at Safari Stadium. We also have 3 restaurants.
You don't speak English, right?
No, that's okay. We will
I'm
tell.
only playing, no.
No shouting, no flashing. Thank you. Ha? No flashing. Ako lang sa
The base camp. Kindly go down the please watch your step. For your first attraction, we have here the
dako kayo. Ay, tinuod, adara. Makita na jud sa diri daplin na, no? Hi, what's your name? Oh, basta lang dili ka mag-flash na dagana nila, oy. 1, 2. Uy, dami nakuhaan. Oy, no shouting. Oh. The natures.
comfort, please remain seated while our captors tell you. Please refrain from extending fingers out to the north. We also kind of wait a minute. And raised in captivity in France. They're all males, siblings, and 9 years old. Their names are Max, Jack, and Pogo. And they have 1.2 hectares, so they can roam freely and exhibit their natural behavior. Which means they're more active at night than
Ow.
day. And they're restless or sleep 20 hours a day. They are called white lions when they're not entirely white. That's because they are non-albinos. They are leucistic, which means they have partial loss of pigmentation resulting in a pale or nearly white colors. You can take picture and getting aside for the 5 to 8 kilograms per lion per day. Just chicken or beef ang ilagan nila. Or they're communicating other lions showing their dominance. For their lifespan, they can live up to 16 years in the wild and up to 25 years here in the captivity.
The comments are eating. Ay, private money. Ano, naklaro na nga mura siya. Flamingo. Unsa na sa feeds mo? Mo gyud di ay kakagutom. Mulag lagi on lagi po pilitan Hamay igul ba? Awo to layo. Para siya. Toy halo mao nga orange. Asa ba? Din ako'y picture. Ang ako panindoon. Uy, picture po ko diri.
O ana maka cellphone din nila makita.
Picture ang bata ari oh.
Yes.
Picture po ko diri. Si Tita Rosa o iring. Hi.
Ma'am.
Alam. na sa ako ang hidban.
Ano na, kauna na yung hidban. Asan, ari mo. Here, tita. Erika.
Ari mao.
Anak ako, ano sa...
Busog na, tara.
Dari gang, dari atubang dari gang. Atubang dari oh.
Kung kamot na.
Kay dugay mahurot kay katong kapayas.
I don't go over there. Kay abi kay hurot. Hurot naman ang kwan.
Ako dapat naman.
Hala, yung mga ko ikaon hala. Sure. You kiss me?
Wala sige pa na yan, dalikdik.
Ang buhok niya. Ano siguro kaspa?
Bayan dalikdik wa.
Sige, kuwain, sige, kuwain.
Video na ko. you after lunch for part 2. Thank you so much everyone for watching. This is Tita Barla and see you on my next vlog.